In this video, we are going to see how we can turn on the two-factor authentication on Facebook by following its simple steps. So first of all, just go to the top right hand corner and click on the profile icon right here. Click on the settings and privacy and click on settings. And on the left hand side, you can see this account center. Go to the password and security and again select password and security from here. In here, you see this section that says login and recovery. The second option says two-factor authentication. Click on that. Choose the profile that you want to enable the two-factor authentication for. Click on this. And after that, you will get all the options of enabling it with an authenticator, app text message, or security keys. You can use that function and just pair it with your device or with the text message, whatever you want for the authenticator app. But if you get this message, you can't make this change at the moment, you can find the video related to that problem separately on my channel just by searching it in the videos, and you will get this video. You can just copy this and just go to my channel. In the videos, you just search for this particular video, hit enter, and you should be able to find it. But if it is working for you, you get all these three options where you can enable the two-factor authentication. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.